Hello everybody, welcome back to Dive the Planet. Today we're on the north side of Busuanga in a little barrio called Cheey. We're gonna go check out a waterfall that somebody here told us about. Apparently it's a 2-hour hike, so gonna have a little bit of fun traipsing through the jungle. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Thanks a lot, and we will see you again soon. It's horrible when you climb up a hill only to find out that you've gone the wrong way and you've got to go back down. Alright, so back on track now. So we had another wrong way that ended up in about a kilometer walking up the river in the wrong way. So we've gone back and we've actually found the right path. So hopefully we've only got another 20-30 minutes of hiking until we get to the waterfall. So wish me luck. Hopefully it's not too far now. Apparently we're on a trail, but it doesn't really look like a trail. Looks like we're just wandering through the forest. So apparently we're about 5 minutes out, but we got a bit of bouldering before we get to the falls, so let's go have some fun. So we made it to Lalid Falls out here in Cheey. That's really nice tall falls, but no pool for cooling off. But still a nice view.